Howdy guys and gals, and welcome to Q&J Farms. I'm Farmer Q, and today I thought I'd do a quick video on programming AI field workers. It's actually a quick and easy process, and we'll go through everything from mulching to planting. First, we'll start with mulching. Just pull the tractor and mulcher onto the field. Call up the AI settings menu. I'm on PS5, so I press and hold the circle button. There are two modes, AI worker and steering assist. Select the AI worker mode. Then select working width. The width is automatically set to the width of the implement, but you can adjust it if you like. I usually like to subtract a couple of tenths of width just to be safe. Next, we have the number of headlands we wish to create. I usually just keep that on its auto pre-selected setting. Next is the work headland section. It's already preset to on, so we'll leave it there. And for mulching, we want the worker to start with the headlands as well. Next is skip lines, but we're going to keep that to 0 because there's really no need to have them skipping lines on this field. Now that we've got that set up, we just get out of the AI settings menu and back to our tractor. Here, you just hire the worker as you normally would. I'm on PS5, so I tap circle and the worker takes off. The worker is going to go to the part of the field they need to in order to start the job. Don't worry about where they're going or how they're doing it. The worker is doing exactly what they need to do in order to mulch this field according to the setup you've selected. I've seen some people's remarks like, I can't stand watching the worker going everywhere on the field, etc., things like that. Well, jump in Jehoshaphat's, feller. If you're just watching the worker, why aren't you doing it yourself? But then again, everyone plays differently, I guess. But anyway, if you wanted, you could always select to just have the worker do up and down, and you could do the headlands yourself. Just go do what else you need to do on the farm and leave the worker to their work. The worker's going to get the job done. On occasion, the worker might miss a couple of spots, but not many. Here, the worker has completed mulching the field perfectly with nothing missed. Now we'll move on to cultivation. It's slightly different in that you start the worker with up-down and do the headlands last. This allows the worker to work from inside the field and finish on the outside. But as I said before, you can change that if you like. When planting, it's set up just like cultivating or plowing. Start the worker inside with up-down, then finish with the headlands. Much like in real life, you start planting in the middle and work your way to the borders. This way, you're not running over what you've already planted. Now moving on to harvesting. It is set up just like mulching in that you start with the headlands, then up and down, as to not run over the crops and destroy them. I will say, when it comes to harvesting, I would suggest you do the headlands and just have the worker do up-down. This will save a lot of time. Now personally, I almost never hire a worker because I like to do all the work myself if possible. But I also understand that time can be a problem, and sometimes you do have to hire the workers to help you get the work done. Well, that's all for today. I hope this helps with your farm. Just keep farming, don't pick up no wooden nickels, and we'll see y'all next time.